Nag-open siya ng reptom. Kyung-kyung. Kyung. Halika na, Kyung. Kyung.
When you say convincing, you mean like I could have called them? No. I could do that.
Yan na po namin. Nagbukas ng rep.
I'm sorry. You tell me if you didn't think you could case of this before you asked me to brainwash the entire world.
So, ito na yung hinatid kami dahil maluwag ng traffic at wala ng baha. Wala na rin si Karina. Yeah, guys. Kyung-kyung, gwapo-gwapo ng Kyung-kyung na yan, no?
Ba't maitim siya ngayon?
Ay, Kyung-kyung.
Mahulog ka, apa.
Pag mag-content ang bata, dapat may kasamang tao. May kasakit ka market.
Pogi.
Migup na lang sa bawo. Masarap ang sabaw, Kyung.
Meron ka ba? Kainin ba? Kainin ba?
Medyo may side effect pa yung bagyong Karina, guys, so mahangin pa. Christ in the house of worship just across the street, Commonwealth Avenue, Quezon City, guys. Yes, Christ in you. Wow. Yes, guys, let's eat. Thank you and see you on my next episodes. Bye bye, guys. Thank you so much. God bless always.